Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Right now we're going to take a look at the peas. Now the winter elements seem to have messed up the peas, along with I think some nematode root intrusion. But if you look, there are some stragglers that are still surviving. Like down here, there's one right there. And then you look up here, you still see some new production up top. Now what I did was I pulled a bunch of the pods that this had produced and pulled the peas out of them. And what I'm going to do is plant those peas, because those are second generation peas. Like if you look here, you can see there's a pod there. I missed that one, a couple others over here too I missed. Anyhow, those are second gen peas that were produced in this location, so they'll be, the science of it says that they'll be slightly more adapted to this location as the result, because of the resilience of the mother plants. Now what I'll really be interested in is the seed stock from these ones that are still alive. So take note of that if you're trying to produce in your own locale, and know that second gen seed stock, third gen seed stock is better than second gen, fourth gen, and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.